Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Binance Mastercard. First, understand that this card lets you spend your cryptocurrency anywhere Mastercard is accepted, converting it to local currency at the point of sale. Before applying, you must confirm that the Binance card is available in your country. Additionally, ensure your Binance account has completed all necessary identity verification steps to be eligible for the card. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth application process. Once you've confirmed eligibility and verified your account, navigate to the card section within your Binance account. Here, you'll find the application form. Carefully fill in all the requested personal details, ensuring accuracy to avoid any delays. After completing the form, take a moment to thoroughly review the terms and conditions associated with the Binance card. If you agree, accept them to proceed with your application. This step is vital for moving forward. After submitting your application, Binance may require further identity verification to comply with regulations. Follow any prompts to provide additional documents or information. Once all verification is complete, your application will enter a review phase. This process typically takes a short period. Upon successful approval, your virtual Binance card will be issued instantly, allowing you to start using it for online purchases right away. Your physical card will then be dispatched. To use your Binance card, you'll need to fund it by transferring cryptocurrency from your Binance Spot wallet to your card wallet. This process is straightforward and can be done directly within the Binance app or website. Once funded, you can use your card for everyday purchases, both online and at physical stores worldwide, anywhere Mastercard is accepted. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of spending your crypto with ease and exploring new tech.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.